Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, we had seen international market showing positive signals in last 2 days. Uh, Friday evening also, US market saw a good move up, and whereas even yesterday, the markets were positive. Though futures are indicating bit softness in the morning in futures of the US market. Asian market has also shown the similar trend. So we were on the holiday, but the impact of the same will be visible in today's trade. Uh, Towards the weekend, what we had seen that the US has allowed import of uh, few of the parts of uh, smartphone and computers to be imported at lower rate, whereas even in the solar also they had allowed the import of lower rate from China. So some positive trigger has come because of that, as US is considering lowering of tax and indicated uh, some positiveness for the trade negotiations in the coming period with China. Uh, China has not yet shown any great sign of tax reduction of the negotiation being started. On the contrary, China is negotiating with the other Asian countries like Vietnam, Malaysia, and Cambodia for for common fight for the tariff which has been imposed by the US. So things are that the whatever going on between US and China seems difficult to continue for very long. They have to come on table for negotiation in the near term. So one need to be watchful of that positive part can happen in coming period. So one should look for that, and which can support the uh, commodity market, which are beaten down in uh, last week or so. Aluminum, no doubt, is up by around 0.5% in last 2 days, whereas copper is also up by around 0.25. Oil has moved up from around 63 to 65 now, so up by around $2 in last 2 days. Whereas iron ore today morning is up by around zero point 0.5 and steel is flat. So some positiveness can happen with negotiations with US and China starts. So one should watch for that. So overall for Indian market seems positive opening and can sustain this uptrend in today's trade. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up opening. All the reasons has been specified by Sir itself, and we are likely to witness some sideways momentum after the such kind of a gap up. Now, on the technical front, Nifty is very good, forming upper high tops, high bottom formations, and going ahead at the higher levels. Probably today it will breach the 20 days moving average on the technical fronts, which will be a very positive sign. For the today intraday purpose, 23,170 is the first resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. Any move above that level will extend this positive momentum towards 23,240 to 23,300 levels, whereas the support is placed at around 22,700 provided by the gap supports levels. If it's break that level, then 22,600, 22,500 levels can be tested on the downside. The overall view is definitely positive on the Nifty. We are likely to witness the uptick rally on the higher sides. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, 51,440 is the first resistance level. About that level, 51,700, 52,000 levels can be tested, whereas the support is placed at around 50,840 and 50,570. Stock specific ITC audit really looks good on the technical front. From the last few trading sessions, we are continuously witnessing a upper trend in this particular counter, well placed above all the important moving averages. Currently, the counter is trading at 200 levels on the. One can go for a long positions on any dips towards to 198 and so, and we are looking for a target of 210, 220 on the higher side. So long positions can be created with the strict stop loss of 192. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are witnessing that Gift Nifty is likely to open 350 points on the upper end, and we are likely to expect that the buying will be carried forward while the opening in going ahead. As per the put writer positions, we are seeing that near to ATM strike between 23,000 to 22,800 level. Major put writer positions got added on against it that the call writer positions have got liquidated on the minor front. On the upside, the position which is getting shifted to the call rate is directly at the 23,500 to 23,800 level. So near term resistance for the Nifty is at 23,500 level, and the support lies at 23,000 mark. So once if Nifty gets a clearance about 23,500 level, then the next possible level which we will witness on the Nifty front will be 24,000 to 24,200 level on the upside zone. So currently market trend seems to be on the positive side. PCROI closed at 0.96 level, that is also at a positive mark. Currently the put at a position is holding strongly against the call at a position. This is a positive data as per the current OI data front. So currently till the point of time put at a positions is not getting liquidated, till that point of time we will witness the bank strength will be continued in the market. If any dip comes near 23,000 mark or 23,050 level, at that point of time new long positions can again recreated for the upside towards the 23,500 level. By India VIX closed at 20.11 level, India VIX is still trading above its resistance zone. Once if India VIX goes below 16 level, after that we will witness some stability and lesser of a volatility in the market. Till that point of time we will expect this kind of a volatile situation in the market, but can hold the long positions as per the data which is showing right now. As per the stock specific and sector specific front, Apollo Tire and PNB Housing, in these two counter we are witnessing the short covering days took place in the Friday session, and we can expect fresh long position can be initiated in these two counter. While on the negative front, Muthoot Finance, ICICI General Insurance looks negative. So that's it from the data front. Thank you.
Yeah, Trans Rail Lighting Limited has secured one large order of around 1,000 crores plus. This will act as positive for Trans Rail Lighting. In fact, in last quarter also, the company had secured reasonably strong order booking, and that is continuing for even in this quarter as well. So overall outlook for Trans Rail Lighting is positive. Apart from that, Orient Cement has declared result towards weekend. Uh, the results were okay, no doubt. Year on year, the we had seen decline in EBITDA margin. EBITDA margin has come at 12.5%, which is as compared to 9% in last quarter and 16.7 year last year. As compared to last year, the performance is lower, mainly on account of lower realizations. Uh, what we had seen in last year because of the lower demand and uh, prices, people are not, companies were not able to take much increase. So that has impacted. But overall, what was the expectation as compared to quarter on quarter for other cement companies? Orient Cement has shown similar type of improvement quarter on quarter. So the improvement of around 350 basis point quarter on quarter is reasonable considering the other companies' performance expectations. So outlook, mainly Orient Cement has already been acquired by Abuja Cement. So price-wise, no impact. Only outlook on cement seems positive from here. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting some profit taking in gold and silver. Gold one can sell and rise around 93,600 with a stop loss of 93,900. On downside, we are expecting 93,200, 92,800 on downside. Wherein silver, we are expecting prices to test the resistance area at 95,200, 400 levels, and then witness some profit taking. So selling with a stop loss of 96,400 is recommended, and on downside again expected to test 94,000, 93,300 on downside. In metals also, copper one can initiate a sell around 847 with a stop loss of 852. On downside, 840, 835 is the level where one should take profits. Similarly, zinc, we are expecting a consolidation from 251 to 255 levels. So for trading, one can initiate a sell around 254 with a stop loss of 256. Again, on downside, 250, one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 248. And crude oil, expecting prices to test 50 to 5200, 5150 on downside. Selling on rise around 5330 is recommended with a stop loss of 5400. And natural gas, one should sell on rise around 300 levels with a stop loss of 310. On downside, 285 to 280 is the level we are expecting. So that's it for the day. Thank you very much.